Alright, welcome again to another tutorial of the topic probabilities. So tunaendelea na the principle of permutations. We're just going to solve more example. Check out example 1. Example 1 is about Tom. So Tom is my friend. Thomas wants to arrange 3 mathematics, 2 physics, and 4 chemistry books on a shelf. Determine the number of possible arrangements. So the total number of books Tom wants to arrange are 3 plus 2 plus 4, which is 9 books. But out of this 9, 3 are mathematics book, 2 are physics books, and 4 of them are chemistry books. So the number of arrangements now, the number of arrangements, kwa hiyo ni formula yake itakuwa ni n factorial over m factorial times p factorial times c factorial. Kwa hiyo ni 9 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 4 factorial. Ambao kutumia calculator hapo, you just get 1260 arrangements. Yeah, this is example 1. Let's now see example 2. Example 2 anasema, in how many ways can 3 students be seated in a row containing 3 seats? So you just want to arrange 3 students, manake labda ni Jane, John, na Juma. So in how many ways can you arrange this one? In a straight line. Make ni 3 permutation 3. So tunajua n permutation n ni n factorial. Kwa hiyo hii itakuwa ni 3 factorial. So in how many ways? Manake ni 6 ways. Yeah, this is example 2. Let's now see example 3. Example 3 anasema, in how many ways can 4 interviews be permuted, taking 3 at a time? So you take 3 at a time, but there are 4. So in 4 permutation 3. So tunajua n permutation r. Anasema in how many ways can it be permuted? Maki nataka permutation. N permutation r tunajua formula yake ni n factorial over n minus r factorial. Kwa hiyo hii 4 permutation 3 itakuwa ni 4 factorial over 4 minus 3 what? Factorial. Kwa hiyo itakuwa ni 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 factorial over 1 factorial. Ambayo ni ngapi? 24. So in how many ways? Jibu ni 24 ways. This is example 3. Let's now see example 4. Example 4 anasema, in how many different ways can 3 green, 2 yellow, and 1 white bulb be arranged in a string of Christmas tree with 6 sockets? So how many bulbs in total? 6. So the number of sockets is the same as the number of bulbs. But out of these 6, 3 are green, 2 are yellow, and 1 is white. So here the number of ways is just going to be n factorial over g factorial times y factorial times w factorial. Kwa hiyo ni 6 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 1 factorial. Kwa 6 factorial ni 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 3 factorial ni 6 times 2 factorial, 1 factorial ni 1. Kwa 2 factorial na 2 factorial kwa heri, 6 na 6 kwa heri. 5 times 4 times 3 tunapata ngapi? 120. So how many ways? Jibu ni 120 ways. So this is the principle of permutation. Let me say see you in the next tutorial.